Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center, model DMV 3016LD, serial number NM4100582. This machine was new in 2006. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 0IMC control. It has a 40 taper spindle, 8,000 RPM. Right there, he's running the Z-axis. Your Z-axis is 20.1, your X is 30.0, and your Y is 16.1. Axes are nice and quiet. Your table size is 36.2 by 16.9. Right now, the spindle is running 1,500 RPM. Again, it's a Cat 40 spindle, 8,000 RPM, 15 horsepower. 3,000 RPM, very quiet. 5,000 RPM. You have an umbrella style 20 tool automatic tool changer. We're going to simulate a tool change. Air blow, okay. Doing another. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.